Hi kids, Miss Megan here with Picture Books and Paste. Welcome back. I have a question for you today. Have you ever lost a favorite toy? One that you really loved? Well, in our story today, our main character Tommy lost his T-R-U-C-K, his truck. This book is called Where's My T-R-U-C-K by Karen Beaumont. Let's read and find out what Tommy does. Shh, I hear my parents say. Tommy's not himself today. He's lost his T-R-U-C-K. Look how sad he looks. My brother says, let's climb a tree. My sister says, play house with me. But all I want to do today is find my T-R-U-C-K. I look behind my closet door. I dig through every dresser drawer. I search my brother's pile of junk. I look in Grandma's smelly trunk. She's looking everywhere. And underneath the bed and chair, behind the curtain, whoops, not there. I cannot find it anywhere. My brother tosses me a ball. My sister hands me some dumb doll. My mom says it will be okay. My dad just shrugs and walks away. I want my T-R-U-C-K. I dump my toy box on the floor. I look and look and look some more. I've never lost my truck before. I go outside. Where could it be? Is it underneath the tree? In the sandbox? By the shed? Maybe in the flower bed. I climb up on the ladder. Hey, is that my T-R-U-C-K? Uh-oh. Whoa! I look again, but still no luck. Did someone steal my favorite truck? I had my red truck yesterday. A toy truck can't just drive away. I want my T-R-U-C-K. Poor Tommy. My brother hands me his green Jeep. My dad says I just need more sleep. My sister says, come on, let's play. My mom just whispers, what a day. I want my T-R-U-C-K. I don't want jeeps or cars or planes or boats or bikes or trikes or trains. I don't want green or blue or black. I only want my red truck back. I look once more out on the lawn. My T-R-U-C-K is gone. I loved that truck. I love it still. I always, always, always will. That truck hauled toys and tools and rocks, banana peels and dirty socks. Great big bones for Bowser. Wait, what's he doing by the gate? Bowser's dug a giant hole. Something's buried by his bowl. Something kind of red. Hooray! I found my T-R-U-C-K!
Yeah!
Oh, he's so happy. Come on, Bowser, let's go play.
Woof.
The end. All right, he found his favorite truck. I hope you liked this story, and if you like this video, click the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a single story. Bye now. I'm gonna go play with my truck.